Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to another stock analysis video. In this session, we will discuss about an energetic pharma sector stock which performed very well in last 2 weeks and the low around 50 rupees. So don't miss this opportunity. Watch the full video. Before going to the video, I have a small request. If this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button and the like button. It will be a great support for making new videos for you. So let's go to the video. Okay friends, first we can check some basic details of this company. Name of the company is Medicaps Limited. It's a pharmaceutical company incorporated in 1986 and it is one of the largest manufacturer of MDHAD gelatin capsules in terms of manufacturing capacity as well as market capitalization in India. Medicaps entered the highly competitive pharma market with a team of dedicated professionals duly supported by competent individuals in every aspect of its operation, and the business encompassing the entire value chain in the marketing, production and distribution of pharmaceutical products. So these are some basic details of this company, and now we can check the stock returns. While checking the stock returns pattern, we can see the stock performed very well in all the time frames. On 2-year time frame, the stock almost gave 204.73% of returns, and on 1-year time frame, the stock give us 139.53% of returns, and on 6-month time frame, the stock will give us 47.99% of returns. So for a penny stock like Medicaps, these numbers are very good to watch and we can expect more and more returns in the coming future. And the company have a philosophy of growth, has been consistently up business practices, and they had a clear focus, excellent infrastructure and a powerful quality policy with well-defined management information system that helped the company to achieve a consistent growth. And the company pioneered many advanced features in product development such as Pearls capsules as well as Python printing. And this is a company continuously strives to offer customers with excellent product, technical advice and a thorough that makes their product tailor-made for their customers both in India as well as abroad. So from this point itself, we can see on what level of medical infrastructure this company is trying to implement in the coming future, and that will definitely lead the company towards an ultimate growth. Now we can take a look at the quarterly result of this company and make some comparison with the previous result. While checking this, we can see net profit of Medicaps rose 58.77% to 3.35 crore in quarter ended June 2021 as against rupees 2.11 crore during the year ago period. That was a consistent and substantial growth, and while we check the sales figures, we can see the sales rose 42.81% to 17.18 crore in the quarter ended June 2021 as against 12.03 crore during the year ago period of June 2021 quarter. So we can see a good growth in the sales and net profit figures year after year, and that is very good to watch. Now we can take a quick view of the chart. This is a 1-day time frame chart of Medicaps and I use Heikin-Ashi candles here. We can see how bullish this chart was for last 2 or 3 months, and the last day candle was a huge bullish candle with a good volume. I think that was the effect of the quarterly results. For penny stocks with good bullish momentum like this, we cannot mark a lot of levels, but one important level to be noted is the resistance at 53 rupees price range. So this is an important level to note because the price touched 2 or 3 times on that same line and just goes down. Now the price was exact near to that line. If a breakout happens from this level, we can expect a good fly from here, and a major support level for this stock in 1-day time frame chart is at 42 rupees price range. So mark these key important levels in your chart and update yourself with these levels. So this is the end of this analysis section, and I have a small request. Do not invest blindly. Study about this company, study about the financial details and then make a good decision. This is not a stock recommendation. This video is only for educational purpose. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please click on subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.